Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am going to be drawing my prize for the Summer Vibe swap that was hosted by Sharon at From Cheap to Chic and myself. I will link Sharon's channel down below. For my prize, I was giving away this set of dewdrops, and you had to leave the secret word, which was sunshine, on my incoming swap video. Here are the entries to everyone that left that secret word. I would like to thank everyone that joined in on the swap. This was one of my favorite swaps. We had so much fun. I loved creating all the projects, and I enjoyed watching all of the incoming and outgoing swap packages. It was a great time to extend summer just a little bit longer. Thank you to all of those that participated. Let's go ahead and draw this winner. We had 17 entries. I am going to turn off my ring light so there's not a glare when I put my phone up. Okay, and we have my random.org number generator, and I'm trying to see when I do this. Let's see, 1 through 17, and we're going to hit generate, and that is number 6, which is Janet, Miss J00. Congratulations, Janet. You won my set of dewdrops. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I will drop these in the mail to you. And just so you know, I have lots of new colors up in my shop. My Etsy shop is linked down below. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I've been working on an unexpected house project and it has consumed so much of my time. We are almost done and that is very exciting, and I am looking forward to spending more time in my craft room. I have lots of videos that have been recorded. I just need to go in and edit them. I have some challenges that I will be posting as well and getting those out in the mail. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, for stopping by my channel, for supporting Sharon and myself in our first ever Summer Vibe swap. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye guys.